The sound we will just going to practice in this video is the sound W. Repeat after me. W. 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 W in one. Again, one. Walk. Again, walk. Wall. Again, wall. Want. Again, want. Warm. Again, warm. Wash. Again, wash. We. Again, we. Were. Again, were. Week. Again, week. What other words has the initial sounds W? W in always. Again, always. Award. Again, award. Cobweb. Again, cobweb. Driveway. Again, driveway. Highway. Again, highway. Homework. Again, homework. Jaguar. Again, jaguar. Kiwi. Again, kiwi. Seaweed. Again, seaweed. What other words has the middle sounds W? Now, let's practice phrases with the sounds. Ready? A war of Trojan. Again, a war of Trojan. The walking jaguar. Again, the walking jaguar. A spider's web. Again, a spider's web. Washing kiwi. Again, washing kiwi. A warm welcome. Again, a warm welcome. Now, let's practice sentences with the sounds. Ready? We walk in the highway. Again, we walk in the highway. The wall is weak. Again, the wall is weak. Wash the seaweed. Again, wash the seaweed. Wear your sash. Again, wear your sash. I want to drive on the driveway. Again, I want to drive on the driveway. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound W. Repeat after me. W. W. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.